Ok, bene, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Welcome to this new video. And today what we are going to do is unboxing of these two incredible technology and research device. And I want to show you what they are and what we can do with them. So before starting, if you like this video, let's subscribe and do a like because I really appreciate it. And if you want to comment, drop a comment below and just tell me some suggestion how can I improve my videos. Anyway, let's start from this, which is the better looking. I will put it. Okay. This is nice. This comes from a Canadian company, and let's start from this. So first, I want to tell that we are talking about 8,000 euro of devices, okay? Because this costs 5,000 and this costs 3,000. Okay, welcome to this new video, and today what we are going to do is unboxing of these two devices. Very nice tech device, and they are something that you don't see very frequently in your life, so I want to share with you. I will thank you also the University of Innsbruck for giving me these devices. So we are talking about 8,000 euro of unboxing, because this one, it's from a Canadian company and cost 5,000 plus this. I will show you what it is. 3,000 from Zurich, a company, a Swiss company. Okay, so let's start from this. Right? Okay, essentially, what it is, this is a Furuta pendulum. Okay, and you can do a lot of bunch of stuff with this tool. Essentially, you are provided with a sort of spinner, and there is an electromagnetic motor which allows to spin like a step motor, and you can turn it like very precisely, and there are also the angles depicted. And there is, of course, also an encoder and many stuff. So you can also remove this if you don't need it, and you can put this other the real pendulum. Okay, so there is like a sort of motor that spins in this way, and of course here it's can spin also. So it's like 2 degrees of freedom. You will command this rotation and this rotation, and allows you to do very cool stuff. So let's try to, I think it's in this way. Okay. Of course we have to plug in to the encoder. Okay. So why it is very nice, and I want to show you how it works, because essentially by knowing the rotation of this motor and the rotation of these, you can like you can do a bunch of reinforcement learning with this. There are OpenAI interface, which is the interface the same of this pendulum, and allows you to learn from this rotation, and for example you can put in this vertical position. So I have seen it working, but I don't have the code. We will try today to do something with that, or maybe in the next video. And I will show you also how it works. Maybe I will split the video in other videos. Why I have it? I have it because I have to do my thesis about this stuff, and essentially I need this for having I will build a data set knowing this velocity, and I will bind them with also this tool. So let's start from this tool. Okay. Okay, this is the second, so we are talking about 3,000 euro of tool. It is a very advanced camera, and but this is a special camera. This is not a real camera, a standard camera, because it is an event-based camera. So as output, you will not have frames. You will have a strings of events, and it is a neuromorphic device. This means that works as our eyes work. The technology behind that is about like brightness. So this is a DV Explorer Mini, and so the events is a pixel that change brightness, okay, and you will have so a stream of events which is a struct with x y position of the pixel and also the event, the timestamp, and it has a really great resolution, and it is also very fast in processing, because maybe you don't have to process the whole image, but you just need the events. So it is a pretty new technology. So there are a sort of papers describing how it works, but there are problems in how to use it. So I already, maybe you have seen in my shorts that I work a little bit with that. What I did is image reconstruction. So from the events, I build frames, and then I apply some state-of-the-art algorithms for, because maybe it's a problem to plug the standard algorithms with this special camera. Okay, so after you are provided with this tripod, and it is pretty. So we have a pendulum and we have an event-based camera. What do you think that Mythesis is talking about? So I will start from describing the camera, describing how it works. I will show also some state-of-the-art algorithms that I used with this camera, which is Lucas Canade and also Farnbach, and they are state-of-the-art. Now it is an algorithmic approach. So I will try also to give some, let's say, machine learning approach, in which I will bind the velocity of the pendulum. I will create this data set, which is bound with the events from this camera. So what I will do maybe in the next videos is just do some videos about the pendulum that is moving. I will write in a file the velocity of this pendulum, and I will store the events. I will synchronize them because I have the timestamps, and then I will try to build a model. I will train a model with this data set. I hope to not have some overfitting problems, because I will test the camera in the trained set. Also, this is also a problem because I don't have available some many data sets. So could be also a contribution, could be also a nice thing to do, to try to build the data set. I think is a little bit ambitious. So I hope that you like this video. It's a very short video, and I want to do this sort of unboxing in which I show you the Foruta pendulum and also the event-based camera. In the next video, I will show how this Foruta pendulum works. I will connect with my computer. So see you later. Bye bye.